Yes, again, today we are just solving simple question. Another simple question is this one. As usual, it is mathematics tutorial session with teacher Mood Economics here, and the question today comes from the exponent and radical. The topic is the exponent and radical, but this question also, as you can see, can you see this one, 2 power x? So this represents also algebra. Because now you can solve this one and it will turn into what we call the quadratic equation, which is algebra. Yeah, you see here, it's a quadratic equation because of this power 2. That's why we can consider it also as a quadratic equation. Okay, now we need, as I said, it is quadratic equation from here because of the highest power is 2. So now let us define this one. This is 3 power x plus 1. What does it mean? From the exponent, from the multiplication rule, we can expand 3 power x as 3 power x times 3 power 1. Yes, that is from the multiplication rule. Now we have the same powers, no, the same bases. That's why the powers are added. Now here we have 3 power x. Now also here we can have 3 power x from the same, this is what we call the exponent rule. That is 3 power x. Now this is 3 power x like this. Yes, and multiply by 2, then minus 2 brackets 3. Yes, now because here we have 3 power x and also here we have 3 power x, so we can let 3 power x to represent a certain letter, and that's where quadratic equation come. Yes, now let 3 power x, myself I decided to call it is equal to y. After that, I'm going to substitute this y into this exponent here. So therefore, instead of writing 3 power x, I'm going to write y. But remember, there is power 2. Here will be is equal to 2. Will be minus 2. Then y, yes, that is 3 power x times 3 power 1. Yes, is equal to negative 9. Can you see now the quadratic equation? Yes. Here we go. Now we have no. Yes. Yeah. Now we have y square minus 2. Now y times 1 times 3. That is 3y. Therefore, you can say our quadratic equation is equal to minus 6y minus 6y. Then plus 9 is equal to 0. Now by using the what we call the general formula, I'm going to use the general formula so that to get the clear answer. Very simple. This is the general formula of the quadratic equation. It is so much famous, this formula. I think everyone knows about it. So let me read it. Now from our quadratic equation we have deduced that a is equal to 1 while b is equal to negative 6 and c is equal to 9. Then the second step now is to just to substitute these values into our formula. After substituting the values into the formula, we found that y is equal to 6. Now 6 becomes positive because of the multiplication of two negatives. Then we plus or minus 6. Now can you see this one? This is 36 minus 36, you see? Therefore the answer will be 0, right? So the square root of 0 is 0. So here I can say, it is very simple. That's y is equal now 6 divided by 2. Is it clear? It is 6 divided by 2. Now which is what? 3. Now let us edit this one. Yes, can I erase this one? Erase, yes, this one, yes, already, yes, divided by 2, which y now becomes is equal to 3. But remember, our question needs us to find the values for x, not y. Now let us come to what is x. At the beginning, we let y be is equal to 3 power x, but now our y is, the value of y is 3. Therefore, you can say 3 is equal to 3 power x. Now you see, now this one is exponent. This is what? Exponent formulas. Therefore, you can say the power of this one, 3 is 1. Therefore, because the bases are equal, therefore also x will be equal to 1. Now, this x. Yeah, because the bases are equal, therefore you can also compare their exponents. The exponent that means the value of x, this one x will be equal to 1. Thank you so much for following me. Everything will be okay.